If you work in IT support and wonder if cybersecurity is out of your reach, this video is for you. I advise a lot of people who want to move into cybersecurity. Today I want to talk about one of them. We will call him Kairan. Kairan is very good at his job. He knows endpoints, he knows tools, and he fixes things fast. He is also worried that someday AI might replace parts of his task, what he does on a daily basis. And he feels he is not good enough for cybersecurity role. Because he is on the Helpdesk, which he thinks is not good enough for moving into cybersecurity. Now here's the truth. Helpdesk is not too basic. It is the best base for you to have a career in cybersecurity. In this video, let's understand why as an Helpdesk person, you have a good foundation and how you can make the move in cybersecurity. Before we start this video, please subscribe for more such content around cybersecurity. Hi, my name is Hemant Patkar, your security trainer, and for more information about me, please visit my LinkedIn profile. First reason is you know the environment better than anyone. You talk to every team, you see the apps people use, you see what breaks and when. You know where the data lives, you know how the network feels on a busy day. That view is gold in security. To spot a threat, you need to know what normal looks like, and you already do. You know laptops, servers, Wi-Fi, emails and cloud tools. You understand how they connect. That makes it easier to find weak spots and fix them. If I were the security lead, I would pick the person who knows the system and the people, not the person who needs months to learn them. The second reason is you solve problems all day. Support is a puzzle. You collect clues, you test, you confirm. You stay calm under pressure. In incident response, we do the same. We look at the logs instead of error pop-ups. We chase alerts instead of tickets. The habit is the same. Stay curious, move with care, fix the root cause. Now the third reason. You work across many technologies. You are not stuck in one tool. You touch Windows, macOS, phones, networks, SaaS apps, printers, and security has to protect all of it. Your wide view helps you make advice that actually work in real life. You do not think in theory. You think in steps that users can follow. Coming to fourth reason, you can explain things simply. Helpdesk teaches you how to talk to non-technical people. You explain in plain words, you keep it friendly. You get people to change what they do. In cybersecurity, that skill is huge. During an incident, you will guide teams, you will write clear notes, you will teach good habits like strong passwords, updates and spotting phishing emails. Clear talks beats fancy terms every time. And the fifth and final reason, you already handled security issues. Who sees the first signs of trouble? Often it is you. A phishing report, a strange pop-up, a malware alert or an account lockout. A triage, you collect evidence, you reset accounts, you escalate when needed. That is early stage incident response. You are already doing part of the cybersecurity job. So if you are in IT support and want to move into cyber, here's how to turn your daily work into a clear path. Step 1, track your security work. In your ticketing system, tag anything related to security, phishing, malware, account takeovers, or policy breaches. Save short notes on what happened, what you checked and how you fixed it. This becomes your proof. In any cybersecurity interviews, real stories always win. Step 2, learn the basics of logs. Pick one Windows machine and one Linux machine. Practice reading the logs. Ask one simple question, what happened and when. Note the event IDs or commands you used. Keep a few screenshots. This shows you can follow a trail. Step 3, shadow the security team. Ask your security team if you can sit on an incident call. Offer to help with the first triage. Volunteer to review blocked emails or simple alerts. Even an hour a week builds trust and gives you real examples. Step 4, build a tiny home lab. Use a spare laptop or a small VM setup. One Windows box, one Linux box. Add a free log tool or a community SIM. Send yourself a fake phishing email that you control. Practice the steps. What log entry shows the click? What shows the block? How would you write the summary? Step 5, pick one starter course or certification. Choose something hands-on and beginner friendly. Keep study time short and steady. Your real work stories plus basic training is a strong mix. So to anyone who are currently working as IT helpdesk support person and feels the same way, you're not behind. You fix real problems in production. You know the systems and the people. AI can help you, but it cannot replace your judgment, your calmness and your ability to teach. Cybersecurity needs people who can connect the dots and talk to humans. That is you. Here is a simple way to frame your experience when you apply. Say this: I support users across Windows, macOS, and SaaS. I handle the first line of phishing, malware, and account issues. I document steps, capture evidence, and escalate with clear notes. I read basic logs to confirm what happened and when. I build a same lab to practice incident steps. I want to bring that speed and clarity to the security team. Short, true, and strong. Let's recap with a quick checklist you can start this week. Number 1, tag your security related tickets and save brief notes. Number 2, read logs on one machine and write down what you have learned. Number 3, ask to shadow one security call. Number 4, build a tiny lab and practice one scenario. And number 5, pick one small course and schedule your study time. If you do these 5 things for the next 8 weeks, you will have a story, a set of skills, and a proof which you can show. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friend on Helpdesk who needs a push. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.